Hello everyone. Welcome to Sampoorn Media Gyan. I am Dr. Shweta Gaud Sharma. In this video, we talk about concepts of public relations, publicity, marketing and advertising. In today's world, communication in business are expected to be more effective through advertising, publicity, marketing or public relation. To make effective communication, we have to understand the two concepts in communication and public relations. First, black box concept. Secondly, SRIF formula. So let's talk about the black box concept. To know the positive or negative reaction of public about the product, good and service is important for the company and organization. To better understanding of black box concept is very important concept. It is known as the black box stimulus response theory of consumer behavior. This concept was published in 1967 by Philip Kotler. Before understand the black box concept, let's take one example. On daily basis, we are getting lot of information from various sources, but our mind received only that which is very connected to us. And this rejection and acceptance is known as response. So this is our reaction towards information. Now let's move on to the diagram. A means stimuli which include product, price, promotion and place in marketing. Here A is also depend on environment like economy, cultural, technology and many more. B box is black box which is resemble like a mind, and C is the response or reaction about the product, organization, company, goods and services. This response govern product choice, brand choice, retail choice, dealer choice, purchase timing, purchase amount and purchase frequency. Now in public relations, stimulus must make an impact on the brain for the desired reactions or response from the target group. In this diagram, we can see two important words. First, behavior. Another one is attitude. So, behavior means here we as a public using the product of the company. It means public is engaged with the organization and having good image of the organization, means positive attitude. But on the other side, public is not using, which shows the disengagement for the product and services and having bad image of the organization, means negative attitude of the organization. The aim of public relation officer is always to gain a positive attitude and an engaged form of behavior, which is known as first box reinforcement. Here, the public attitude is positive and engaged with the organization, its product or services, so that it is an appropriate stage for any organization where the process of encouraging or establishing a belief or pattern of behavior is positive. This situation is an ideal situation for any organization and they always work for this desired situation. But this ideal situation may not always exist. The target group may be one or different state of mind or situation. So, different strategies and action may require to move the target group from where they are in the positive and engaged situation. If attitude is positive but disengaged with any reason, maybe finance or cultural background, public is not using that product. In that case, the public relation person needs to do work on the facts and give more facilities to the target group, which is our second box. So with the facilitation, maybe the target group will change into the first stage by using that particular product. Third stage, where our public is having negative attitude but still engaged with our organization due to any reason. This situation again not good for the organization. So the PRO needs to take action of widely spreading and promoting an idea, theory of the organization and educate the target group. If the public are having any issue and problems with the organization, so the third box represent that this stage is propagation, where the PRO must educate the public as per their interest. Fourth stage or box is very difficult situation for the organization, where the public is having negative attitude and disengaged behavior. This stage is known as confrontation of the problem and the target group. Here the organization needs to identify the problem, why public is having negative attitude and not purchasing the products, and resolve the issues immediately, otherwise it will destroy the image of the company. The second concept, SRIF formula, stands for strongest relevant influence factor in the communication of the advertisement or public relation. It is the strength of this factor which results in achieving the desired change in attitude and behavior of the target group. The two words are same in both the concept, behavior and attitude. The SRIF formula is depicted in the form of two overlapping of circles, where one circle represents the target group's field of reference and the other is field of experience. It is the overlap of these two circles that is important, and it is believed to result in the target group's response or reactions to our message and communication. The greater the overlap, the stronger the SRIF, and the more positive is expected to be the response. Both the frame of reference and the actual experience of the target group are important in releasing the communication objectives. It is in advertising, publicity or public relation. If there is no significant and positive overlap of the circle, then no communication, however creative or well designed, will work, in result in disappointment in the target group and possibly also have a negative effect. So in this video, we done with two new concepts of advertising, communication and public relation. In my next video, we will discuss on another topic related to public relations. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel Sampoorn Media Gyan. Thank you.